Now, let's imagine this is your form on your website and you're trying to send a message as a client to yourself. So let's try that, send. And now if I go to my email, notice that I received the email, but it went directly to spam. And also it says here like local business. Here's the email address. It's saying here via, so it's just a mess. It just doesn't look like a legit email. That's why it's going to the spam folder. Hello internet people. So in this video, I'll show you how to fix your WordPress emails going to spam by using WP Mail SMTP plugin. This is something we do often for our clients, as many plugins and features use WordPress to send emails. So it's really important to get this right. Okay, let's get started by going to plugins, add new plugin, and then here just type in WP SMTP. Then I would just pick the biggest one. It's this WP Mail SMTP. Let's click on install now, and don't forget to activate it when it's done. It'll give you this starter wizard, but I would just go back to dashboard because I want to show you how, because these things change. But if you just go back to the dashboard, here you have a new menu, WP Mail SMTP, and inside settings, you have all these details. So first of all, check that the from email is correct. This is what you're gonna use for your emails. So in my case, it should be this one. So I've added now. We're gonna force the from email. That's by default anyway there. Then from name, I'm just gonna put my first name, Robert. We could also force it. And then from here, we need to choose a different mailer. So if you're using Gmail or Google, then you would select this one. The process is slightly different, so this video will not cover it. For all the other ones, this one will work because we're gonna set it up manually. So let's scroll down. This is the setup. Next, we need some SMTP details. And you just need to think about, where is your inbox? Where are you getting emails right now? Is that Gmail? Is that maybe in Hostinger that's called Titan email? Or maybe somewhere else? If that's Office 365, just think where that is. And once you know that, you can just either go to Google and say, hey, GoDaddy outgoing email servers, or you could go to one of the AIs and ask there. So for example, here I ask, what are the SMTP email details for GoDaddy? And it gives me these details. So I would always double check if they're correct. So I would just grab this one and go and come here and say GoDaddy SMT server and see if it finds it. It should find something like that. And then you could find, okay, yes, this looks correct. And this is the port and so on. I'm going to tell you what you need in just a second. My email is actually sent from Hostinger and it's called Titan email. So I'm going to use the details from there. They are here. I found them through Google. So if we go back to our WordPress, here we have this one. So the host, we can simply come here and we need the outgoing mail server. So here you have incoming and you have outgoing. So that's what we need. Let's grab this one. I'm copying it and then coming back here, pasting it. I'm going to use SSL. It'll automatically populate the port. In some cases, you also want to use TLS. They're saying here, we recommend using TLS. Let's see what this one says. Oh, actually, they are recommending to use the SSL. So I'm going to use whatever my email is recommending. Okay, so then back to settings. These you can leave as default. And these details is just basically your username and password to that email account. So whatever your email and password is, just fill that in here. In my case, actually, I just realized I need to use another email. So I'm going to change it here like this. And now I can actually fill in the username and password. Okay, like that. Now I'm going to just save the settings. Okay, now everything should work. To test if everything works, we just come here and go to the tools. So inside this menu tools, we have here send a test email. So now I can say, okay, I want to send my email to this address and let's send an email. So what's happening now actually is that this SMTP plugin is just asking, hey, Titan email, can you just send an email for me in my behalf? As if I'm just typing it manually. So it's just kind of going through your inbox, your emailed inbox, and then sending out that email. Now, in some cases, you will see an email in your sent inbox. And in some cases, you will not. For example, with Titan email, you don't see that. So now if I go to my email, you'll notice that this email has been now sent to me. And notice how it looks like a legit email. So it's actually coming from my domain name with this one, and everything checks out. There's nothing weird like I showed you in the beginning of this video. So there you go. Now you have much higher chances of not ending up in spam and that your emails get sent out. Now you know how to use WP Mail SMTP. It might complain that you haven't set up DMARC verification. This is a recommended verification to make, as more and more email clients like Gmail and Outlook kind of require it. Otherwise, your emails might still be marked as spam. That's why I've created this video right here to show you how to get it done really quickly. Just go and check it out there.